This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress to create a website. First, you'll need to choose a reliable web hosting provider and register a domain name that perfectly represents your brand or idea. Many hosts offer easy, one-click WordPress installation, making the setup process incredibly straightforward. Once installed, you can log into your WordPress dashboard, which is your central hub for managing and building your new online presence. It's the first step to bringing your vision to life. Next, let's talk about themes and plugins, which are crucial for customizing your site. WordPress offers thousands of free and premium themes, allowing you to select a design that perfectly fits your vision. Plugins are like apps for your website, adding powerful features such as search engine optimization tools, enhanced security measures, or interactive contact forms. You can easily customize your chosen theme's appearance directly from your dashboard, making it uniquely yours without needing any coding knowledge. Now that your site's foundation is set, it's time to add content. You'll create pages for static information, like an About Us section or a contact page, which remain largely unchanged. For dynamic content, you'll write blog posts to share news, articles, or updates, keeping your audience engaged. WordPress makes it simple to organize all your content using categories and tags, ensuring visitors can easily find exactly what they are looking for on your brand new website. Finally, before launching, meticulously review all your content and thoroughly test every link and feature to ensure a smooth user experience. Don't forget to implement some basic search engine optimization techniques to help people discover your site online. After launch, ongoing maintenance is key. Regularly update your WordPress core, themes, and plugins to protect against security vulnerabilities and ensure your website continues to perform at its very best. This keeps your site secure and running efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.